High in the northern latitudes of Mars, an immense sea of sand dunes stretches across the frozen landscape, silent, cold, and seemingly still. But this is not a static world. During the long Martian winter, these dunes are sealed beneath a layer of carbon dioxide ice, dry ice formed directly from the planet's thin atmosphere. The surface appears calm, frozen in time beneath a pale seasonal coating. Then, spring arrives. As sunlight returns to the polar regions, the ice begins to warm. Instead of melting into liquid, it transforms directly from solid to gas, a process called sublimation. What follows is sudden, energetic, and surprisingly dynamic. Gas builds beneath the translucent ice layer, pressure increases, and then release. Material from the crests of the dunes becomes destabilized. Sand breaks free and cascades downward in narrow avalanches. Dark streaks carve their way across the bright, icy surface, recording each collapse like brushstrokes on a frozen canvas. In this remarkable observation, captured by the HiRISE camera aboard NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, we witness a moment frozen in action. Falling material has just struck the slope below. A delicate cloud of dust rises into the thin Martian atmosphere, faint, ephemeral, but unmistakable. This is motion. This is activity. This is Mars, alive with seasonal change. Notice the subtle coloration surrounding nearby streaks. The ice at the base appears slightly altered, darker, muted. This suggests that after previous avalanches, fine dust settled gently onto the icy surface below, leaving behind evidence of repeated events. And there is more hidden within this frozen terrain. Look closely at the dunes, and you will see polygonal cracks etched into the ice, geometric patterns formed as temperatures fluctuate and the ice contracts. These fractures are temporary. When spring fully removes the ice, the cracks vanish, leaving only sand behind. Each year, the cycle repeats. Winter coats the dunes, spring awakens them. Gas erupts beneath ice, sand falls, dust rises. What appears from orbit as quiet and desolate is in reality a landscape shaped by powerful seasonal forces. Even in the coldest regions of Mars, change is constant. This is polar geology in motion, subtle,